we try to hunting for some treasure hunts or super treasure hunt for Hot Wheels. So we'll see what we find there. It's my first visit in this store, so that's why I say they opened last week. So let me see what they have right now in the store. You can see still this coronavirus restrictions. Oh yeah, I miss the store. I miss that store and visit here. A lot of toys. But this doesn't matter. We are focusing on one target, and now I show you why I'm coming to here. Look at this beauty. Oh yeah. Okay, a lot of them, many 5-packs. Whew. Okay, time for start. Let's see what we can find here. As well, when you be hunting this model, you can find a super treasure hunt. They've got 25 here, TAGI symbol there. This is normal one, but you can find super treasure hunt if you're looking there exactly from this model as well. And one more thing, few people on some website asking about this car. It's Tricker from 2020. You can see it's 75 TH here, and some people ask it's a treasure hunt. No, it's a normal car. It's only the painting. It's not a treasure hunt car, but they still looks really nice. Alright, so this is the Corvette. It looks really nice as well. Yeah, look for this new GMC. Simple but very good quality, and looks really nice. So maybe I not find treasure hunt today, but I find some customs, some really nice cars. All of them 2020, so good hunting. And soon maybe review to unboxing these cars. Look at their beautiful frames. As well, we got some camo cards, nothing special. If someone is the fan from Street Fighter, Overwatch, Super Mario, Marvel collection, Minecraft, Fast and Furious, some really nice paint work. If you're looking for that, Schifflers, color changed, hot, cold water. And now quick check for 5s. We see maybe I find something interesting on the 5s. Nothing more, but I select 3 packs what I take today. So I take this one with some nice cars. I take track starts, one for the track builder, and of course Batman. I love that. And one more, some tracks. Look at this beauty, some really nice one, and as well Raptor. So soon I start new series, unboxing 5 packs, so I think it's a good start, and see you soon. Let it go.